square root 11 over 5. I'm going to use the properties of radicals, and I'm going to rewrite this example as square root of 11 over square root of 5. Okay? Now, in order to eliminate square root of 5 from the denominator, I have to multiply numerator and denominator by square root of 5. Okay? Now, I can rewrite the numerators as a square root of 11 times 5 using the properties of radicals, because remember, anytime we multiply fractions, we have to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is equal 5. Okay? 11 times 5 is equal 55. So I have square root of 55 divided by 5. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have 8 over square root of 6. 8 over square root of 6. Again, I have square root in the denominator. I do not want to see square root in the denominator. What I have to do, remember, always multiply numerator and denominator by, in this case, square root of 6. Now, I have to just multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with the denominator. So I have 8 square root of 6 over 6. Why? Because square root of 6 times square root of 6 is equal 6. Next, you're supposed to realize that 8 and 6, both of them are divisible by 2. Okay? So 8 divided by 2 is 4, square root of 6, and I have 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, I'm going to use the properties of radicals, and I'm going to rewrite this problem as square root of 9 over square root of 10. This is equal. Square root of 9 is equal 3 over square root of 10. Again, I have square root in the denominator. I do not want to have square root in the denominator. So what I have to do, remember, I have to always multiply, okay, numerator and denominator by the radical which is in the denominator of my original fraction. So I have square root of 10, square root of 10. 3 times square root of 10 is 3 square root of 10 over square root of 10 times square root of 10 is equal 10. Let me remind you that square root of 10 we can rewrite as 10 to 1/2. Okay? So I have 10 to power 1/2 times 10 to power 1/2. Okay, remember, anytime we multiply numbers with the same base, we keep the base and add exponents. So I have 10 and I have 1/2 plus 1/2, which is equal 10. 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. 10 to the first power is equal 10. So this is why my square root of 10 times square root of 10 is equal to 10. Okay, this is the solution to my problem.